Welcome back for the next model of Theory of Machine 2, unit number 4, cam and follower. Today we will discuss about the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram when follower moves with uniform acceleration and retardation motion. Now in this case, during the first half of the stroke, the follower moves with uniform acceleration, and during the second half it moves with uniform retardation. So here there is a procedure to draw displacement diagram. Okay, so for displacement diagram, so on x-axis you have to take cam angle, and on y-axis we have to take displacement of the follower. So divide the angular displacement of the cam during outstroke theta, during return stroke theta, into even number of equal parts. So generally we have to divide this into even number of equal parts, that is, let us say 6, 8, like this. So 6, and draw vertical line through these points. So here let us say this is theta, then next is theta d, suppose theta. So theta, we have to divide this line into 6 number of equal parts. By using engineering graphics method, we have to divide this line. Take another line, draw another line from this at an angle of 45 degree or 30 degree. Then divide this into 6 number of equal parts. So like this, we have to divide this line, and from each point you have to draw vertical lines like this. The next, divide the stroke of the follower into the same number of equal parts. So say 6. So again ds divide into 6 number of equal parts. Vertical line also you have to divide in 6 number of equal parts and give the name A, B, C, D, E, F like this. Then now join the lines OA, OB, OC. So like this you have to join the line. Okay, OA, OB, OC, and then here. So this is suppose A. So here OA, OB, see here. This you have to take middle of this line, and here A, B, C, D, E, F. So here this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So join OA, OB, OC. Then here this point is last point is, let us say F. So FC, FD, and FE. The intersection of points of these lines and draw vertical line is marked as small a, b, c. So here these vertical lines and intersection of this. So let us say this line and this line will intersect here. So point A, this intersect point B, this line and this line intersect point C. So like this you have to mark the points. So we get all small points A, B, C, D, E, F. Now join the points by a smooth curve, which represent displacement curve of the outstroke, and follow the same procedure for the return stroke. Okay, so this way we have to draw displacement diagram. Anyway, I will tell you how to draw displacement diagram on the sheet. So we will solve numericals on the sheet, and after displacement diagram, then we have to draw cam profile. Okay, so don't worry, I will take that on the sheet. Then analytical solution for displacement, velocity, acceleration, and jerk of the follower with uniform acceleration and retardation. So let us say, so this is the displacement, maximum displacement of follower. Yes, this is obstacle angle theta. Let us say this angle is theta is any angle, and y is the displacement at any angle theta. So we know that for uniform acceleration and retardation, so S is equal to ut plus half at square. We have seen in physics at 11th and 12th. So this is a displacement equation. So here y is equal to, instead of u, so it is, let us say v0, y equal to v0 t plus half at square, where v0 is initial velocity of the follower. But in this case initial velocity is 0. So putting this value in this equation, so y is equal to half at square. So A equal to 2y upon t square, and that is equal to constant. As acceleration is constant during out during acceleration period, consider the follower at midpoint position of the outstroke. So from figure, midpoint position is at this position. So y is equal to s by 2. So t is equal to theta 0 by 2 upon omega, that is theta 0 upon twice omega. Putting this value in equation number 3, we get s by 2 equal to half a into theta naught by 2 upon omega square. So we will get a equal to 4s omega square upon theta naught square. So this is the acceleration of this follower during uniform acceleration and retardation motion. Velocity of follower v equal to dy by dt. So d by dt of y is half at square. So half at square. So it is, if you take differentiation with respect to t, so half into twice at. 2 to get cancelled, we will get at. So what is a? Here first 4s omega square upon theta naught square, and t is theta by omega. By putting this value, we will get velocity is 4s omega into theta upon theta naught square. The different values of velocity at different cam angles we can calculate. So let us say at theta equal to 0, v equal to v0. So putting the theta equal to 0, this equation becomes here 0, so v equal to 0. And at theta equal to theta naught by 2, so we will put here theta naught by 2, so we will get 4s omega upon twice theta naught, that is 2s omega upon theta naught. So v velocity at theta naught by 2 is 2s omega upon theta naught. In this case, during the second half of the follower, the motion is uniform retardation, so the velocity reduces to 0 at the end. So at theta equal to theta 0, velocity at the end it is 0. So therefore, maximum velocity is at theta naught by 2, that is 2s omega upon theta naught. Acceleration of follower 4s omega square upon theta naught square at outstroke, and at return stroke AR equal to 4s omega square upon theta r square, where theta r is angle of stroke of the angle of return stroke of the cam. Then jerk. So there is a sudden rise of acceleration to a finite value, that is 4s omega square upon theta naught square at the start and end of each stroke, due to which jerk is here infinite at all the points. So at theta equal to 0, jerk is infinity, theta equal to theta naught by 2, jerk is also infinity, and theta equal to theta naught, jerk is infinity. Therefore, this infinite value of jerk will produce shock loads, and which causes vibration and high stresses. Hence, this type of motion is suitable for low and moderate cam speed application only. So, this is applicable only for low and moderate cam speed. So, this way we have to see the analytical solution. And last one is analytical solution for again displacement, velocity and acceleration and jerk of the follower with last motion is cycloidal motion. So, this motion here we have to see what is displacement, what is velocity, and what is acceleration, and what is jerk for cycloidal motion in the next class.